Alright, how's everybody doing? Check it out. Here's the newest addition to the channel. Just picked this up. It's a 1990. Just like the blue one. I just showed you the red one. My brother's just a 91. I think both of his are 91s and then the 99. Well, look at how clean this one is. Check it out. Except that back window, but everything else is nice. Look, it's on right now. I just kind of rinsed it down, did a half-assed job, but it came out really nice. It's gonna be a clean little car. Inside nice and clean, dusty, you know, but Miata floor mat all busted. My belt broke. But yeah, guys, check it out. Dash don't even have a crack. I forgot. All of them usually have that crack right there. This one don't. Check that out. 130 on the dash. Fucker's been on for a good while. See the temp gauge there? But no no engine check light. Check it out. She sounds good. Oh wow, I didn't even look. I didn't even notice this really. So look, check it out. We got the manual, all the old school Mazda stuff here. Check it out. I never even seen this book before. That's kind of cool. Wow. Came out of Henderson, Nevada. Yeah, baby. Representing 702. Yeah, check it out. All kinds of service records. A ton of service records. The manuals and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Look what this is here. Some touch-up paint. So whoever had this car, they took care of it, you know. It wasn't beat up. It's just really dusty when I got it. Really, really dirty. And the trunk has the tonneau cover for when you put the top down. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this. Bring it to the channel. Show you a few more shots of the outside here. Look how clean that is. It's just clean, man. Pop the hood. Oh yeah, that's what I noticed. It needs brake fluid. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the interior a little better. Check out the passenger door panel. It's clean, no rips. Check out the seat. Still clean, dirty, dusty, but still clean. Old school ashtray, broken, but that ain't no big thing. Check it out, it's even come with some money. Came with some money. This guy's cracked here. I think we might have one of those. If not, no big deal. Look at the shift boot. It's not torn. It's got the original Mazda radio. Throwing some kind of code there. Doesn't work. But yeah, it's clean inside. Nice carpet in the back. Not too bad. Of course, these are faded. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pop the trunk real quick so I can show you that that tonneau cover. I think it was pretty cool. But in here, I don't have the trunk release. Gotta kill it. Alright, let's go check it out. Here we go. Check that out. Nice and clean. Got the tonneau cover there. Look in here. It's nice and clean. Check out the battery. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be it for this quick video. I just wanted to show you the new Miata that I just picked up. She's a cream puff. But But make sure to stick around, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.